Welcome to Mastering E. Today we're going to be looking at Chapter 7, Problem 2. So we're asked to find the time constant in the RC circuit. My initial thoughts when looking at this problem is to find the Thévenin resistance. The reason why is because we can basically take out this capacitor and find the resistance at the capacitor terminals. So our equation for this is going to be our 120 ohm resistor, which is going to be in parallel with our 80 ohm resistor plus our 12 ohms. Now, if we remember our parallel resistors, we'll get 120 times 80 divided by 200 plus 12, which is just going to give us 60 ohms. So 60 ohms is our Thévenin resistance, and our time constant is just going to be our Thévenin times our capacitance, and our capacitance is 200 microfarads, and our capacitance is 200 millifarads. So this is simply just going to be 60 times 200 times 10 to the negative 3, which is equal to 12, and thus our time constant is equal to 12 seconds. So this is the answer to the problem. If you have any questions, if you think I made any mistakes, drop them below. Other than that, the rest of Chapter 7 will be linked on screen now. So if you are interested in that, continue watching. Thanks.